Namaste, I am Advocate Pratima Betsy Coutinho, political activist of Goa. Well, I just happened to see one post which is trending where MP Kangana Ranaut, who was also the actress, who is now the MP, has made a very loose statement, a derogatory statement on the Congress leader, the LOP, outside the parliament, saying that, that women in parliament feel very uncomfortable. They feel uncomfortable when Rahul Gandhi ji comes in the parliament. And she's even made a loose statement such as, she said something like, he's like a tapori. I want to ask Kangana ji, do you know the definition of tapori? Don't make these loose statements just to earn some brownies or to make your political bosses happy. You should know who is Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi is an LOP. He is a well-educated person, talented person, down-to-earth person. See, I can say this because I have worked with Rahul Gandhi ji. I have served 25 years of my life in the Indian National Congress Party, wherein I have gone to front-ranking positions and served as the Youth Congress State President of Goa, also as the ex-Mahila Congress President of Goa. And during this tenure, when I was a Youth Congress President, I have gone and attended many conventions and training, not only in Goa, but even in Delhi, you say Kashmir, you say Hyderabad, any conventions. I have been around, I worked with Rahul ji, we have stayed with Rahul ji, we have seen his persona, we have seen his body language, we have seen his etiquettes. Not only that much, even when we were the Mahila Congress President, all the Mahila Congress state presidents, all the ladies used to be there in the convention hall. There would be thousands of Mahila Karyakartas of Mahila Congress of each state representing there. We have known Rahul Gandhi. Do you know what Rahul Gandhi is and from which background he's come? Don't forget that Indira Gandhi ji, the late Prime Minister, was his grandmother who has shed her blood for the country. She has sacrificed herself for the country, for the nation. So was also his father, late Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi. His also life has been sacrificed for the country, for the nation. His mother has sacrificed. She's standing tall there. So don't go to make loose statements, Kangana ji. It is in very bad taste. See, I would like to say that I think she tene apology makpak jai. She has to say sorry. Yeah, and in future she should know. Person Rahul ji's attire only speaks volumes. His simplicity with his white kurta, his approach towards the downtrodden. And Kangana ji, I think you will not understand. I can at least relate myself to Rahul Gandhi ji because I have worked from the grassroots level. I worked at the grassroots. We have come from the down. Rahul ji has come from the organization and he's been there. He's not been a puppet who has been somebody's favorite and has been kept there as an MP. So henceforth, please mind your language, mind your tongue. We condemn this, and it has not only hurt my sentiments, it has hurt lakhs of people's sentiments in this country. Thank you.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.